and welcome to my channel. Mommy Ebechukwu here. In today's video we are making rice fufu. Yes, in my previous video we made tuwo shinkafa, which is equivalent to this. We are making use of 3 cups of rice. You can make use of any rice of choice. Wash the rice until the water becomes clear. As you can see in this video, the water is clear now. I'm going to soak this rice for about 8 hours before I blend it. You can soak your rice overnight if you are not eating it same day. After soaking it, all you have to do is to blend your rice. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. If today is your first time of tuning in, I am Mommy Ebechukwu. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up for our effort. Subscribe to this channel, and you can leave a comment if you have any question. Okay, so I'm going to blend the rice until you have a smooth texture. Add enough water for the blade of your blender to roll and blend the rice very well. As you can see, this is the quantity of water added to the rice in my blender. I'm just using a cup blender, not a big full blender. So because the rice is already soaked, it's easy for the blender to blend it without much stress. So as you can see, the rice paste is cooking. It's forming the rice fufu already. So you just have to turn it and make sure it doesn't have lumps. It doesn't matter how you are turning it, whether you are going to the right or left. The aim or the objective is make sure the rice fufu turns out fluffy, smooth, and lump free. Okay. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much. The water you are adding to this rice fufu now determines the texture you want the final result to be. As you can see, I added a lot of water because this rice naturally, when you finish stirring it or mixing it, or when the rice fufu is formed, if you didn't add enough water, before you know it, it becomes hard again. Okay, so add enough water. You want this rice fufu to be fluffy, not hard or hard like rock. You want it to be fluffy, smooth, soft, just like normal fufu now. So this is our end result. Come on guys, tell me you don't like this. Look at how fluffy it looks. It can go with any soup, honestly. If you start eating this rice fufu, you won't want to eat any swallow again. It's so good, so smooth, super silky. The way it travels from the esophagus down. Oh, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll be seeing you in my next video. All right, bye.